Along with the rest of the world, International Day of Peace 2022 was today observed by Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides at its headquarters in Shillong. This year, the theme for the day was End Racism, Build Peace. On the occasion, certificates were given away to participants of the week-long celebration, and various dance and songs were also performed on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Dr. Mrs. M.P.R. Lingdaw, Vice President of Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, spoke about this year's theme and said that it is indeed that war and violence is not a solution, as we have seen in the last two world wars and the ongoing war of Ukraine and Russia. It is always through dialogue and peace process that problem is to be solved. And when talking about end to racism, she said, what could be a better example than the country we live in? Yes, India, where multiple cultures and multiple religions exist together and we respect each other.
Day of peace. You are
grow the culture of a distinct bond. India is a multicultural, multilingual country. And in fact, in our country, we cannot have one stream. India is a country of unity in diversities. And we have different people, different languages, practicing different customs, but we are all in one. So India, we must remember, it's a country of unity in diversity. The different cultures, the different way of life, the different people, the different customs add to the beauty and greatness of our great country.